Hello, my name is Laura Daniela Martinez Mapura. I am 21 years old. She is mine. Eh, I am I am from Bogota, but in this moment I live in Manizales. I live with my parents, my grandparents, and my brother. Eh, I studied radiology and diagnostic images at UNAT. Um, in my free time I usually do my hobby. I have two hobby. One is watch anime, and the other is read books. I don't like real. I don't really like watch TV, but when I watch Friends or Taekwondo. Taekwondo is my favorite sport. I say that I live with my grandparents, my parents, and my brother. My grandmother, the name is Carmen Emilia Alzate. She's 68 years old. My grandmother is dressmaker, and she's from Manizales. Her hair is short, black, and she's short, and her eyes is brown. The name of my grandfather is Jose Francisco Mapura. He's 74 years old. He's retired, and he's from Rio Sucio. Um, my grandfather is incredible and handsome. He's his hair is short and black, and he's tall. Uh, my mother, the name is Sandra Milena Mapura Alzate. She is 41 years old, and her profession is accounting assistant. She's from Manizales, and she's beautiful. She's short, and her hair is black and wavy. Um, the name of my father is William Daniel Martinez Paramo. He's 4 years old. He's retired or ex-police. He's so smart and handsome. His hair is black and short, and straight. And his eyes are brown, and he's from Tolima. The name of my brother is Martinez Mapura. He's 23 years old. He's a student at Luis Amigo University. He's from Armenia, and he studied laws. He's real tall. His eyes are brown, and his hair is short, um, black, and straight. He looks like my dad. Thank you so much for listening.